Today, I'll be your guide in exploring Google Classroom using your cell phone. First step is you should download the Google app in your Play Store or App Store. Then, open the app and this will appear on your screen. And then you are going to click Get Started. So, it will ask you to log in using your Google account. After you enter your account, you're going to click Next. After that, you're going to enter here your password and then click Next. Alright, after entering your password, this will appear on your screen. So at the bottom part, there is a plus sign. And then there are two options here, Join Class or Create Class. Now, since you are a student, you are going to click Join Class. And then, it will ask for your class code. After entering the class code, you are going to click the Join button at the upper right corner. Alright, so after mo maklik ang Join button, nasa Classic ka na. So at the bottom part, may makikita kang 3 sections, Stream, Classwork, and People. So isa-isahin natin ito. Ang Stream, ano nga ba ang Stream? Ang Stream, ito yung announcements. Dito makikita lahat ng announcements na gagawin ng teacher mo. Projects, assignments, at kung kailan kayo nakaschedule magkaroon ng quiz. Uulitin ko, ang Stream, dito mo lahat makikita ang announcements ng teacher mo. What about classwork? Sa classwork, dito mo makikita lahat about your lessons. So dito, meron nakalagay learning competencies. Learning competencies, ito yung coverage ng lesson nyo for the whole quarter. And dito rin yung attendance, yung orientation nyo, yung profile, yung link ng profile na pinapasagutan ng teacher mo, and also the learning materials. Task cards, worksheets, or activity sheets na dapat mong gawin ay nandito rin. And also your quiz. The projects, and the link for the supplementary videos ay maaari ring nandito sa classwork. So let us check if meron nang inassign na gagawin yung teacher mo. So i-click natin to at the top right corner. So ayan. So makikita mo na dito, aware ka na may binigay na task si teacher sa'yo. Una, yung October 5, yung attendance nyo for the first day of class. Then, task card number 1, may inassign na si teacher sa'yo. Task card number 2, and then quiz number 1. So dito, malalaman mo na kung ano yung mga dapat mong gagawin or ano yung mga dapat mong i-accomplish kasi naibigay na sa'yo ni teacher. May makikita kang to do. So dito, matitrace mo rin or aware ka din kung ano yung mga naka-assign na topic sa'yo, ano yung mga hindi mo nasagutan, at alin yung mga tapos mo nang nasagutan. You will be aware kung ano yung assigned lesson sa'yo, assigned quiz, assigned assignment, or projects. Ano yung mga hindi mo nagawa, you will be also aware of that. At alin yung mga natapos mo nang gawin. So, ito yung last is people. Anong meron dito sa people? Of course, the name of your teacher and your classmates. That's all. Sana mga bata may natutunan kayo about sa basic features ng Google Classroom dahil sa pasukan, halos lahat ng mga teachers, ito yung gagamitin. Happy learning! God bless and thank you!